working on my 2001 Honda Civic. I'm having the code P1457. So this is the code for the P457. P0456 is gonna be the vent valve, which is this one right here. But this is the two-way bypass valve. That's what they call it. So this is P0457, P0456 for the vent valve here. I already replaced it last time from the other video, and now the code is this one. So it's better to buy OEM, but I just went cheap, so I just bought an aftermarket one. Here's the part number. They call it the two-way valve, and this is how it looks like right here. So you can see I got all of it out. There's two bolts that's holding on to it, and I got the connector out. Now I got the old part out. Here is the original number, just in case you guys need it. But it looks the same. Everything looks good. And make sure to check the connector too. Check the wire and all the holes. Make sure it's not cracked or broken. And put your new one in. So I got the new one in already. Two of my hose back. The top hose is also back. The connector is good. This one I think I got it for $100. But if you buy an original, I think it's gonna be around like 160. Now I'm gonna show you the code, engine code. So this is the code. I'm sorry, I said P0457. I said, so it's a P1457, and that is the two-way bypass valve. If it's P1456 is the vent valve, but this one is 57, so it's the two-way bypass valve. Honda's, those two are very common issue, so very easy fix. I didn't even diagnose it. I already know what the problem is. Take the key, and that's it. So if you like my video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. See you. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you.